everyone, welcome back. Today's video is on this lovely Healthvit Bath and Body Activated Charcoal Face Wash. So I am very excited to unbox this once again. I have already unboxed this, and recently I purchased the blush box where I had ordered for this one, but unfortunately I landed up getting this activated charcoal face peel off mask, which didn't meet my expectation. I had purchased for 100 grams of face wash, but I got 50 grams of peel off. I like the Healthvit products, especially this face wash, activated charcoal face wash. Like I've said, I had purchased the blush box because I had opted this, but unfortunately I got something else. But so not to regret, I purchased this separately online from where? From Amazon. From Amazon I've got this, the individual product, because my family loves this product. This, I have tried many other charcoal face wash. I have also recently taken the Good Vibes face wash, activated charcoal face wash of Good Vibes also, and comparatively I have also tried the Tricone charcoal face wash, but comparatively I and my family prefer and like Healthvit activated charcoal face wash. Yeah, when I say this is good, the same brand, I have got this peel off mask in my blush box as a wrong product, but still I tried this, but I wasn't happy with the peel off from the same company, Healthvit. The peel off, this is not at all strong. It doesn't take off any of your dead skin, any of your blackheads, any of your tanners. So peel off from the same company, I am not at all impressed and happy. But with the face wash, I've already used this face wash, and I am mad about it. This just gives the amazing results and the freshness which you want early in the morning. Yes, I am quite convinced using this product, and whatever results I've got from this product, I'm quite happy, especially with the face wash. So I thought, let me purchase this separately, and I wanted this. So I've taken this separately from Amazon, and here is the packaging. This is how it comes if you purchase from the Amazon or any other websites. This is of 100 grams and the pricing is 200 rupees. The ingredients are here, and this comes in this kind of a package. Let's quickly open and see how the tube is, the face wash. So this is the face wash. Okay, this is just amazing. I've already used it, and this is, I think I've made already one video, and this is my second video on the same product, and I'm so obsessed, and yeah, this is the product, 100 grams. Like I've already said, this removes excess oil, revealing fair looking skin underneath. Okay, this helps in taking off the tanness and any dead impurities. And here are the details. Yes, like said, it takes off the impurities and helps in removing the extra oil, dirt, makeup, etc. Yes, like they claim, I have felt this, and once you take a wash from this charcoal face wash, you will feel amazingly soft. Your skin turns out to be so soft and smooth, and you feel that freshness, smoothness, so that's the reason I love this product. And all you have to do is just wet your face and gently massage it and then wash off. So yeah, this is the product, and this comes in the tube, and this comes quite for a long time, very long time. And let me tell you, if you are using for the first time, this face wash is really very liquid. One thing I have noticed from Healthvit is whatever content they give, be it be the face wash or the peel off, whatever it is, the consistency is really very diluted. I should be saying it's not diluted but very liquidy in form. So be very much prepared for it. First time when I used this, I wasn't prepared, because I have usually seen that any of the face wash, especially the charcoal face wash, would be a little thicker in consistency, but this was so much liquidy. Okay, so I have taken this off, and let me show you how see how this falls off. So this is the texture of it. Oh, like I always do this. Okay, so yeah, this is the face wash, the consistency. So be prepared. This is very liquidy, but when you wash and when you rub it on your face, it just gives lovely foam, and it takes off seriously, like they have mentioned. It just takes off all the dirt, and you can feel that softness here. Blackheads, everything just goes off, you know, so easily. It just comes off so easily. And for the consistency purpose, I will show you the peel off as well, just to compare the consistency of the product of Healthvit. This is a peel off. See, even this is so very liquidy. So the from Healthvit company, be it the peel off or the face wash, the consistency is very liquidy in form, but the outcome of face wash is amazing. But the outcome of peel off, to be very frank, I never liked it, because this is so liquidy, and this dries up in such a thin layer. And when you pull this off after it's dried, you know, this gives this is of no help actually. How peel off should work, this product doesn't work like that. It doesn't take off any of your dead skin. It doesn't remove any of your so it doesn't remove any of your blackheads or whiteheads or any of. So like basically this is just kind of this is just one layer which you can apply, and kids can just play this off. When I was a child, I used to apply the Fevicol and just used to peel that off just like a game. It was fun for me to peel, so nothing happens. So just like that, it's just like this is just like an application which gives you nothing out of the peel, you know. So that kind, I never like this, especially the peel off. But Healthvit face wash, and I'm just loving this product since last time. I am in love with it, and I have purchased this again because I haven't got it in my blush box. Yes, so this was my review on the Healthvit activated charcoal face wash, which cleanses pores, and yes, it does. And so this was my review and the unboxing of the Healthvit activated charcoal face wash, which I like it the most. Beautiful thumbs up for this product. And if you think this video has helped you in any way, and if you like this video, don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe my channel to stay connected for many more stuffs here. Until my next video, take care of your health, stay happy, stay blessed, and bye.